Hi, this is the Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner I'm putting together for our bay sliding window. Putting the adapter vertically, and I'm going to show you the details of what this looks like. Okay, put this thing together, and this goes into here like so. Oh no, doesn't fit that way. Oh no, gotta do it the other way. This is the Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner, and I got it here to the sliding window right there. It is pretty powerful. I just put the plug on it. Okay. Hi guys, we just got this from Costco today, the Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner. Look through the manual. It's pretty confusing, but I figured it out. And what I did was I took out the previous panel here. I just put it side to side so I could measure it. Excuse me. It is pretty strong. I just hooked it up. Excuse the mess. But you can see here that adapter goes straight there. That was the last part, is attaching this. So first I put this piece together. It came with in the box. I put the smallest piece up there, and those little tabs, those plastic tabs to hold it up together. I'm going to tape this later. And this part here, I snapped that in last, because this part, actually I snapped this part in last. So I did this first, attached this second, and then brought this closer and snapped this together. I had to make sure this hose part was right straight close. I had to pull it out and make sure it was closer to this edge right there, to the very edge. Yeah, it was pretty confusing. I had to make sure I watched numerous videos because it didn't show how to attach this part. I pulled this out, pulled that hose, that inner hose here, and this comes with this, the sliding window adapter, so I don't have to twist it at all. Like I've seen other videos where they twist it sideways. So this one we didn't have to twist this, because this adapter works with the side panel perfectly. I didn't have to twist it at all, so it's perfect. This is from Costco. Picked this up today in Seattle. Duo Portable Air Conditioner by Midea. So I did this first. You can see up there, the smallest section is up there, and I had to flip it the other way, because when I try to put this adapter in, it wouldn't go in there because it needs that extra space, see, at the side, for this side to fit in. So I had to flip this whole panel backwards in order for this to fit flush, because the other way around it won't be flush because of this corner. So that's what I had to do for my situation. I guess everybody has, different window situation, but that's how I had to do mine, is I had to totally flip it the opposite way in order for it to be to fit in this corner. Hope this helps somebody, because I had the darndest time trying to figure it out. But yeah, I did this panel first. This is a small section up there on the top, and two medium sections, because they don't all slide together. I mean, in different ways. The panels, you can't you can't slide. I could slide the small one here, but it would be more higher. So I wanted to add length up there. So I moved the smaller one up there to the top, because it can't stick. I can't slide this small piece in the middle. or here. I wanted to put it right there, but it wouldn't fit in the grooves. And I had to flip it the opposite way in order for it to fit for this situation. So I put this panel first, and then I put this, and then I pull this over and snap that together, and that's how it's working for me. Powerful. And I still had extra 2 plastic pins left over, so it's more than enough to attach all of those pieces. There's like a small piece there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, that's where you attach adapter. So yeah, 1, 2, 3 extra pieces. It's more than enough for 2 extra pins. We had a guy come through the direction with a dog. She got excited, but I just ignored.